Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see one GL report functionality. Transaction code is FAGLL03H. It's a line item browser report. You can go through here also accounting, financial accounting, then account, and here click on FAGLL03. Just double click here. So here we need to enter the company code. So if you are searching for any GL specific, then you can enter the GL code here, and here you can see the selection open item, cleared item, and below you can see the all items. So here I am selecting for all item, then click on execute. So here you can see for the company code is 7075. We have posted till now in two GL accounts, and here you can see the summary of these two GL accounts. In one GL account, you can see the 4 line item with double line double zero credit, and in the second GL account, you can also see the same line item with the double double line double zero debit. So if you want to see the line item details report, then select all here and click on here call line item reports here. Click, so you can see the line item reports here for each GL account. So the main functionality of this report, you can see the GL overview, like debit and credit balances. And once you click once you select here, you can select one or two, then it will show you the line item details also. You can see here only one GL account is giving one when I selected the first one. So by this way you can use the GL line item browser report in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.